If you're eyeing GuideFlow or you're already using it and wondering what else is out there, let me save you some time. GuideFlow's a genuinely good tool. It's an easy, no-code builder with one of the most generous free plans in the category of interactive demo software. They give you 5 demos for free, but teams still look elsewhere for a few reasons. First, it's freemium with a steep ladder behind it. The moment you need HTML capture, demos built from your live product, you jump to their growth plan at $499 a month. And sandbox demos, that's the advanced plan at $1,500 a month. Second, the lower tiers are screenshot first, no HTML, no sandbox, and limited formats. So as your demos get more sophisticated, the price climbs fast. And third, it's really built for one job: quick, guided product tours. If you need a tool that also runs sales, onboarding, support, you'll outgrow it. So, 7 alternatives worth knowing. And here's the honest truth that nobody's going to admit. In 2026, these tools all make good-looking screenshot and HTML demos. So the feature checklist has basically converged. So what actually matters comes down to 3 important things. 1, does the tool serve multiple use cases or just optimize for a single one? 2, what do you actually get before you hit a paywall? And 3, and this is the part that nobody tests, does the demo look good and does it feel good to actually record it? Keep those in mind. Let's get into it. So the first camp, these are the everyday interactive demo tools that most teams are actually choosing between. So the first tool, Supademo. And full disclosure, this is us, but here's why Supademo's the all-arounder choice. We do the most formats. We have HTML demos, screenshots, videos, screen recordings, desktop app recording, and even Figma uploads. Our free plan is 5 full demos, and paid plans start at $38 a month. And we don't meter AI by credits like our competitors do. You get voiceovers, translations into 30+ languages, voice cloning, and even an AI audit that grades your demo, all built into your plan. Most importantly, we cover the whole go-to-market motion. That's sales, marketing, onboarding, and support, not just one lane. Now let's talk about Navattic. Navattic's the HTML first marketing pick. They make high fidelity tours built from your live product. They're polished and they also convert. It's a serious option if you're marketing led, though it starts at around $500 a month, so it's not the cheapest option. Next, let's talk about Storylane. Storylane's the sales demo automation pick. Strong CRM and deal intelligence, plus their RepX AI agent. If you're a sales-led team with the budget to pay for this kind of tool, it's definitely worth a look. Let's talk about HowdyGo. HowdyGo's the unlimited seats pick. They offer simple HTML demos with unlimited users on a flat rate from about $159 a month. There's no free plan though, just a trial. So it's best once you know you'll use it. But for a big team, the flat pricing definitely beats a per seat model fast. Let's talk about the second camp of tools now. These are the heavier tools built for enterprises where you need a fully cloned or controlled version of your product. Let's talk about Walnut. Walnut does sales-led personalization and deal rooms, roughly $7,000 to $18,000 a year. Then you have Reprise. Reprise is a broader pre-sales platform. Think guided tours plus a fully cloned environment for complex products. And then we have Demostack. Now what Demostack does is it spins up a stable, editable clone of your product so sales engineers can demo it without ever having to touch production code. Now, all 3 of these tools are powerful, but they're mostly custom priced into the tens of thousands of dollars a year. And they're probably going to be overkill if your needs are go-to-market wide rather than enterprise deep. So with the feature list basically tied, what decides it? 2 things almost nobody tests before they buy an interactive demo software. 1, does the finished demo actually look good? Click through a real demo each tool has made. They usually offer these on their website. Look at the hotspots that they have added, the tooltips, and the polish. If it looks clunky to you, the ones you make are going to look clunky to your buyers. Now 2, does it actually feel good to build these demos yourself? If you're going to live in this editor for a long time making lots of demos, make 1 demo in your 2 top picks. And you're going to feel quickly which one is more natural to you and which one you actually want to use in your day-to-day. After you do that, then factor in the price and how it scales per seat. the choice is usually going to become obvious after doing that. If you want one tool that does all of it, the most formats, bundled AI, and a free plan that actually lets you use it, that's us at Supademo. You can try it for free. You'll get 5 demos. You don't have to add a credit card. And you'll find all the information you need at supademo.com. The full comparison and pricing breakdown are in the description. I'll see you in the next one.